But before they set off for their work, they made Snow White promise never to open the door to any stranger, for they feared that the queen would find out where she was hiding. Sabi nila, aalis kami dito, tapos wag mong i-open ang door. Kasi baka pupuntahan ka ng queen. Snow White had never been so happy in her life. Masaya si Snow White doon, babe. Super saya daw siya doon with the dwarfs. Living with the dwarfs in their quaint little cottage made her sing and dance with joy. So doon, at least nakakakanta siya at nakakadance siya with joy. She cooked and cleaned and mended their clothes. So doon sa cottage, siya ang nagkukuk, siya nagluluto, siya naglilinis, siya naglalaba. And still found plenty of time to play with the animals and the birds of the forest. Yun. Pero kahit man busy siya, may time pa siyang makipag-play sa ibang mga animals in the forest. Sabi ni Snow White. They watched over her all day long while the dwarfs were away. And very soon, Snow White forgot all about her wicked stepmother. Nakalimutan na niya yung queen, na bad na queen. Nakalimutan na niya. Kasi masaya siya dun sa cottage ng mga dwarfs. 7 dwarfs. However, at the palace, the vain queen hadn't bothered to look into her magic mirror in a long time. But one day, yung bad na queen, baby, yung bad na queen,